Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my electric desk and home office setup video. So for this desk, I use the autonomous electric seat stand desk, and I really love it. I have no complaints whatsoever. So the desk came in two boxes, one for the frame and one for the actual wooden top. And so this is just basically me, opening and ripping it apart and separating the parts for assembling. Just keep watching. So now I'm done with setting them aside and ready to assemble the parts. It actually took a lot of trial and error. I think the manual says it should take an approximately maybe 30-45 minutes, but it took me like the whole evening. Took me about 2-3 hours to finish this assembling because some of the parts were kind of confusing. The manual wasn't very explanatory, so I had to do a lot of I had to redo a lot of the reassembling because I observed the part wasn't fitting the way it should. So right now I got it right. I got the setting, and so I'm starting to put in the screws together to make sure it sticks, like it's solid. So I must say, the desk came with these small wrenches that made it really easy to screw on the parts. That was really neat because even though I had a screwdriver, I ended up not using the screwdriver because this little wrench practically did all the fitting, all the work, and yeah, it came out really good. Yeah, so this is just me continuing with the assembling, trying to figure out where things should go. So I'm done with the frame and I'm trying to fit the sidebars. So now I've been able to attach the frame to the top. Guys, I must say the frame was really, really heavy. It actually should require two people doing this job, but I did it all by myself. It was a huge task, like lifting the frame and placing it on the tabletop, on the ground, on the floor. But yeah, thankfully I was able to. And now I'm just setting up everything. I'm attaching the electric motor to the back of the desk, as well as the control. Yeah, this was pretty much done. Like, it was just so easy to have the things plugged in, and have it going. I was so proud of myself. Like, I did this all alone. Yeah, I had to recover after all of that heavy lifting, with this desk. But yeah, I'm glad. I love the way it turned out. And this is me just finalizing where everything should be and tying the ropes together. So this is the final desk. This is a finished work. It looks so beautiful. And in my room, I love the way it looks. I love how white and clean. I love the satin feel to the desktop. It has a satin feel to it. And the controls look so good as well. It's easy to control with the buttons. You press it, it goes up. You're able to incline from lowest. The lowest I think is 29.5, and it gets as high as 44.4, I think, if I'm not mistaken, or 46. But yeah, this is my desk and I love it. So this is my complete home office setup situation. I totally love this desk. So it is 52 inches long. The length is 52 inches and the depth is 28 inches, which is perfect for my space. My room is quite small, so it's not taking up all the space. It's compact, yet it's big enough for what I needed. I have a big monitor on my desk as well as my laptop, and it serves the purpose perfectly. I really love this. Just in case you're interested, this is the autonomous Smart 2 desk hybrid edition. I think the original price is $479, but it was on sale and $100 off, so I bought it for $379. I totally love it. I think I've used it for 2 weeks so far, and it's really helped my ergonomic situation. When I feel tired, when my back hurts from sitting, for so long, I easily just adjust the height and, stand. I think investing in a sit stand desk, in an electric desk, is really, really cool. It's really nice because it helps your working posture. It gives you a better posture, takes out the strain of your back, any problem area you're having. So I'll definitely recommend buying this. This isn't sponsored by Autonomous. This is just my own honest review. Yeah, I totally love the desk, and I would definitely recommend it. It doesn't have to be an electric version. You can go for any. I think there are several manual seat stand desk. Those would also work, but I would definitely recommend a seat stand desk, especially with the work from home situation with the pandemic. Everyone is working from home. I'm working from home all the time. So this really was a savior. So yeah, so my review for this is, on a scale of 0 to 5, I would give it a 4.5 over 5, just because of the assembling. It took me so long to assemble, but other than that, I have no problems. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye.